In this video, we are going to go over the process of reviewing a previously rejected inspection that has been resubmitted. Previously rejected inspections live in the Resubmitted Review Items QA tab. To get there, navigate to the QA main menu and then click the Resubmitted tab. Click the plus sign next to Inspection to expand the number of inspections currently being held in this queue. Then click the plus sign again to expand and display the information in a grid format. The functionality of this grid is consistent with the other grids in JRS. So you can filter information within the grid by clicking on the filter icon in any column header. For example, you can filter by specific inspector by filtering the submitter column. To view the specific changes made to an inspection, click the expander arrow next to the inspection type in the View Changes column. This will open a comparison view showing the information previously in the system alongside the newly submitted information. Scroll down to see the reason for rejection comments. This tells you what originally needed to be fixed and will also include the inspector's reply to the rejection. This will help you keep track of the inspection resubmission and what has been updated correctly. Anything that is underlined in the grid is also a hyperlink and is clickable. You can click the underlined inspection type to open the Edit Inspection page. From here, you can click through the tabs at the top of the screen to review additional information, or you can scroll through the page. At the bottom of the page, you will see the following options. Save, which will save any changes you make and keeps you on this page. Save and add a violation, which saves any changes you make and sends you to the Add Violation screen. Save and reject, which will save any changes you make and sends the inspection back to the inspector. This will open a reason for rejection comment box where you can explain why it is being rejected again. Save and approve, which saves any changes you make and approves the inspection. This will return you to the Submitted Review Items screen, and the inspection will no longer be in your grid. A green toast message will appear at the top of the screen confirming your inspection was approved successfully. You can also approve or reject a resubmitted inspection directly from the grid. Simply click the appropriate underlined hyperlink on the right side of the inspection row. When you select Reject, a reason for rejection comment box will appear where you can explain why it is being rejected again. Then click Submit Rejection. Once rejected, the inspection will be sent back to the inspector and removed from your grid. A confirmation message will appear at the top of the screen confirming the inspection was rejected successfully. You also have the option to bulk approve or bulk reject resubmitted inspections. This allows you to quickly approve or reject multiple inspections without having to navigate into each full inspection record. To do this, select multiple inspections using the checkbox next to each row. If you would like to select all inspections that are currently displayed in your grid view, click the top checkbox in the header row. Then navigate to Bulk Actions on the right side of your screen. From there, you can choose Bulk Approve to approve all selected inspections or Bulk Reject. When bulk rejecting inspections, note that the same reason for rejection will be applied to all of the inspections that are selected. A green confirmation message will appear at the top of the screen confirming the inspections were approved successfully, and you'll see in the grid that the items were removed from your resubmitted Items to Review grid. That wraps up our walkthrough on how to review by approving or rejecting resubmitted inspections in QA.